Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have started with our review time now and we have completed few problems also. The continuation of the problems we will do today. Okay. So in your previous class till fourth problem we have completed. Now in today's class we will start with our fifth problem. Okay. See your question in your term book and get ready with your class book also. See your fifth question in the term book. How much petrol can be filled in 6,590 barrels if each barrel can hold 90 liters of petrol? So in barrel means the tank. Okay. So in a tank 900 liters of petrol can be filled in one tank. One barrel 900 liters of petrol can be filled. So here the question is, in 6,590 barrels how many liters of petrol can be filled? Okay. Now let us find out how much petrol can be filled. Okay. So the solution of fifth question. Now this question you have to copy from your term book. See here I am giving the page number of the question also, the bit also. So take out that one and then whatever the question you are writing, whatever the problem you are doing, that problem write the question, then do the solution. Okay. Number of liters of petrol in one tank. 900 liters. Number of liters of petrol. Number of liters of petrol in 6,590 barrels. Okay. So this 6,590 you have to multiply with 900. Okay. So this is also easy because you have all the zeros in the multiplier place. Okay. So how many zeros you have here? You can write that many zeros, 3 zeros here. Then multiply with the next number 0. 9 zeros also you have zeros now. So we have written that 0 also. So 9 nines are 81. So 1 is down. 80 is up. 9 5s are 45. Then 45 plus 8. 45 plus 8 it is 53. So 5 up, 3 down, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are how much? 54. 54 you have to add with the 5. 54 plus 5, 59. Okay. So how much you have here? In 6,590 barrels how much petrol can be filled? It is 59 lakhs 31,000 liters of petrol can be filled. Okay, right. Therefore, in 6,590 barrels, 6,590 barrels, 59 lakhs 31,000 liters of petrol can be filled. Okay, so in 6,590 barrels 559 lakhs 31,000 liters of petrol can be filled. Okay, so by this we have completed our fifth problem. Yes, now we will see with the sixth problem. Sixth problem is little different. You can see in your term book. There are 90 students in a college. There are 90 students in a college and each student have 5 books. So total in a college There are 90 students. Each student is having 5 books. Okay. If one book is having 1355 images in that, how many images will be there in all the books? Okay. So here you have to find two multiplications. Why? Because total books you have to find. Yes, total how many books are there in whole college you have to find, and that will be multiplied with again one book is having some limit of images. No, that will be multiplied with the total number of books again. Okay. So here you have to do two multiplications. 6th one. So number of students, we call it 90 students. Number of books with one student. With one student, how many books are there? 5 books are there. So this 90 should be multiplied with 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 9s are 45. Okay. So total how many books are there? Here total number of books are 450. Okay. Your total books are 450. Now we have number of images. Number of images in one book. In one book, how many images are there? Number of images in one book. In one book, 1355 images are there. Okay. In one book, how many images are there? 1355 images. Okay. So number of images in 450 books. In 450 books, how many images are there? Okay. So multiply with so here place will not be sufficient for the multiplication. So I am rubbing the top part. If you can copy from the board. Okay. If you copy it fast, here place is not sufficient. So I am rubbing this one. We will do the multiplication here. So continuation part will be on the top. So here 1355 images are there in one book. So in 450 books, how many images are there? You have to find. See, 0 is multiplied with all the numbers, so you will get zeros only in all the 4 places. Then go to the next digit. 5 5s are 5 5s are how much? 25. So 2 is up, 5 is down. Again 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 7 down. 2 up. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, it is 17. So 1 up, 7 down. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. And we have one more digit also here. So you have to multiply with that digit also. So 4 5s are, and that is there in 100 place. So your answer also should start from 100 place only. So 4 5s are 20. So 0 down, 2 is up. 4 5s are 20 again. 20 plus 2, 22. So again 2 up, 2 down. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 it is 14. 1 up, 4 down. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Now we have to Add all these numbers. Now 0 is 1. 0 down, you don't have any numbers. So 0. 0 plus 5. 5. 7 plus 0. 7. 7 plus 2. It is 7. 8, 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 1. 6. Okay. So how many you have here? 6,09,750 images. So in 450, therefore so here you have, there are 6,09,750 images are there in all. So totally with all the students, there are 6,09,750 images are there. Okay. So by this we have completed our 6th problem also. Okay. Now we will start with our 7th problem. See, 7th problem is also very simple problem. See, here they have given the cost of one television. The cost of one television is 45,990. What will be the total cost of 298 televisions? So for one television means what? TV. So the cost of one TV is 45,990 rupees. And they are asking to find out for 298 TVs how much cost it will be. Okay. So now 7th one. The cost of one television. Cost of one television is how much? It is 45,990 rupees. Okay. Now find the cost of 298 televisions. 298 televisions. What will be the cost? Okay. So 45,990 into 298. Yes. Now you have to multiply all these numbers with 298. Now 8 zeros are 8 zeros are 0. 8 nines are 72. 7 up, 2 down. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 7, 79. So 7 up, 9 down. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 7, 47. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. Yes. Now you have to multiply that with the next number. 9 zeros are 0. 9 nines are 81. 8 up, 1 down. Again 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8, 89. 8 up, 9 down. 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 8. 45 plus 8, it is 53. Okay. So 5 up, 3 down. Now 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5, it is 41. 41. Okay. Now you have to multiply with all the numbers. Sorry, one more digit it is there here. 2 with all the numbers. 2 zeros are 0. 2 nines are 18. Again 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 1 up, 9 down. Now 2 5s are 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. So 1 up, 1 down. Next 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. It is 9. Now adding multiplication of all the numbers finished. Now we have to do addition of all these numbers. Okay. 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7 how much? 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 up, 5 down. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 it is 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So 2 up, 0 down. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 it is 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Next 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 it is how much? It is 13. 9 plus 4 13. Now how much you got here? 13 lakhs. Sorry. Here you got 1 crore 37 lakhs 5,020. So this is the cost of 298 televisions. Therefore, the cost of 298 televisions is 1 crore 37 lakhs 5,020. Okay, so this is the cost of 298 televisions. Okay, so by this we have completed our 7th problem. Now we will see about 8th problem. See, 8th problem is also very simple problem. So here we have 8th problem as a book has 1098 pages in it. How many pages will 45 such books have? So here also it is very simple. Number of pages, number of pages in one book. In one book, how many pages are there? 1098 pages are there. How many pages are there in 45 such books? In 45 books, how many pages are there? You have to find. So number of pages in 45 books. In 45 books, how many pages are there? You have to find. Okay. So 1098 you have to multiply with 45. Okay. So 5 8s are 40. So 4 up, 0 down. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. So 4 up, 9 down. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now go with 4. 4 8s are 40. 4 up, 0 down. 4 9s are 36 plus 4. 40 again. 4 up, 0 down. 4 zeros are 0 plus 4. 4 it is. 4 ones are 4 again. So now do the addition of all numbers. 0, 9 plus 0 9. 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 4 9. 4 again. Okay. So how many pages are there in 45 books? Therefore 49,490 pages are there in 45 days. Okay, so by this we have completed our 8th problem also. See 9th and 10th, they both are same like this, same like your 7th and 8th problem. So you try to solve this 9th and 10th problems. They are same like your 7th and 8th problems. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.